Moscow utility workers were deployed to clear city streets after a powerful snowstorm swept across the European part of Russia. Footage shows trucks dumping collected snow into a large pile in the northeastern district of the capital. Despite the disruption, some residents welcomed the winter conditions. City authorities said municipal services were operating continuously to keep roads and sidewalks clear. According to a statement from the Moscow mayor's office, mechanized snow removal and anti-icing treatments are being carried out around the clock. The department's press service said, in line with regulations, as precipitation falls, we conduct continuous mechanized cleaning of roadways, pavements, and residential yards along with anti-icing measures. According to the Russian Hydrometeorological Center, heavy snow is expected in Moscow throughout the day on January 29th, with temperatures ranging from -7 to -11 degrees centigrade. On January 30th, according to the forecast, precipitation will gradually cease and the thermometer will drop to -16 degrees centigrade. Umer Rumman Kranti, Daily Sun.